Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then just tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here, as can you see, we got the media column, ringtones, notification and volume panels. You can just change the volume of your media calls and alarms by this way. Just hold press and hold for a while the this blue dot, and swipe this dot to the left or to the right side. Also, you can here just enable the vibration for calls, or enable the multi-volume option. Also, get here the don't disturb mode. You can change the ringtone from your to your two cards. This phone got the two SIM slots, so you can just change the ringtones from each SIM card. Also get here the notification sound, alarm sound, you can change them. Here we get the other sounds and vibration settings, and you can here enable the dial pad tones. For example, now that's just activated, and when you go to the app application, now just you can hear the dial pad tones. If you'll just turn it off, as can you hear, you can hear so the sounds. So also we got here the screen locking sound, the charging sound and vibration, the touch sounds. Now we'll open the app, or so that's how it looks. Also here we get the power on sounds and outgoing call vibration, so you can just enable or disable these all options by tapping once on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.